The problem where Windows Update shows download error 0xc1900201 on Windows 10 or 11. Every time you try to download or install updates, it fails, stops midway, or rolls back. I was also facing the same issue, and it was really frustrating because I couldn't get the latest updates installed. This usually happens when your system has corrupted update files, insufficient disk space, or broken Windows components. Sometimes third-party antivirus or pending updates can also block the download, causing this error. Most solutions online are complicated. They talk about running long command line scripts, editing registry keys, or reinstalling Windows components, which is confusing and risky. I tried several of these, and many didn't work. After testing myself, I found a simple trick that actually works. Clearing the software distribution folder, running the Windows Update troubleshooter, and repairing system files with SFC and DSM fixed it completely. After that, updates download and install